Magnitude 7.5 earthquake hits Michoacan, Mexico, as Pacific Tsunami Warning Center issues Hawaii caution alert. A strong earthquake has hit Mexico and could cause a tsunami in Hawaii. The earthquake's magnitude of 7.6 shook the coast of Michoacan, Mexico on Monda at around 2:05 p.m. Now the Pacific Tsunami Warning Center is deciding whether the earthquake will threaten Hawaii in the next 6 hours. This earthquake happened on the anniversary of two other major earthquakes that hit Mexico City in 1985 and 2017. Hundreds died in the 7.1 earthquakes in 2017.